Hey everybody, it's Matt the Garden Guy here. Got an awesome project I'm working on. I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, we've got a new project here. We're gonna making a support for our peas or anything vertical going up. All right, so to do this, we got to get some staples. I'm using these 3/4 inch staples that I'll hammer in with a hammer. All right, so I'm gonna go and just build my support beam here. You see I got all the pieces going up there. And after we have our structure in place, we're gonna go ahead and grab our fence. Oh, there you go. Got my 3 foot wide by 4 foot high piece of fencing here. This year I'll have beans grow up or peas grow up this. I'm gonna build another one right here in this gap. Alrighty, just got my second part on. There we go.